Higni 20 nyaka ne riwruok ma ok mar piny owacho ma SHOFCO chak tiyo e kar dak ma Kibra e buore Nairobi, nyaka sani giseyawo bedegi e gwenge mopogore opogore e pachoka kendo ng'iyo ma chwalo tijegi nyaka e pinje maoko mag Afrika. E dhialo higni 20 ma tijegi, SHOFCO noriwore kod jokanyo mopogore okenge ma gisegoyo.
Hera mar tuko pira katokera Kibra nonyuolo lek mar chako riwruok mar Shining Hope for Communities mong'ere kaka SHOFCO. Mano chako kod Kennedy Odede kasani ipoe kaka riwruok mosekelo lokruok maduong' e ngima jopiny.
We celebrate the profound changes that your organization has brought to our communities, and changes that are best understood through the personal stories of those whose lives have been touched.
SHOFCO osebedo kating'o ngima jodak ma Kibra kuom higni e chenro mag puonj, thieth, yudo pi maler e kind mamoko, to mana ka gisetwa kodgi e wi kony ma gidwaro.
Get to understand their needs before SHOFCO comes in. That is our strategies. And I urge all the governors and all leaders who are here, kindly look for a good strategy so that you can copy our model in SHOFCO.
And for me, it's all about the Kenyan story. As you know, most of the good NGOs and big NGOs, they come from where? From abroad, right? So for me, I look at SHOFCO, I'm like, wow, something that was started by a Kenyan who was from the community in Kibera.
Giwacho ni sani gitie counties mang'wen ma pachoka kendo tiyo machiegni kod attend counties go osenyuolo ber mana kaka moko kuom governors manochopo lero.
These women in our factory make the linen for our hospitals and make the curtains, and then we pay them so that they have an income and are able to uplift themselves.
Focusing on youth going into agribusiness and creative arts, and recently SHOFCO also supported us. Just 3 weeks ago, we had a youth extravaganza which brought over 1,000 students, youths, to demonstrate their talent and creative performance acts.
Achiel kuom chenro magitimo en rito mine kod nyithindo moruoch ratichgi kokalo gero negi kar jot. Gino ma kaunti ma Nairobi nomede lwete ka gin bende negineno mondo gimed kar jot machielo mar medo konyo mine moruoch ratichgi.
I decided we're going to support SHOFCO. And then the first safe house that I actually went to visit was the one in Kibra with SHOFCO. And when I saw what he's doing on SGBV, I decided that since it's a big issue and these are safe houses run by either survivors or CSOs or foundations like SHOFCO, so what we decided to do is to actually build a government-run, government-operated safe house in conjunction with Nairobi County, and that's going to be 200 bed, and we're partnering together. It's on county land.
Governor ma Nairobi Johnson Sakaja nopuoyo riwruogno kuom jiwo ngima jopiny e chiwo tiegruok kendo miyo jodak obedo kod lokruok e yuto margi.
You have encouraged men and women to be self-reliant through your financial empowerment programs, and I was glad to be your chief guest recently at the SHOFCO SACCO. That is one of the best performing SACCOs in the country.
SHOFCO pod nigi lek mar medo jiwo lwetgi e tije magitimo e gwenge ma pachoka kod e pinje maoko.
In the coming years, we're going to focus mostly on youth again, and also to work on gender-based centers, because most of the women don't have a place to go when they really get abused. So we're also going to give scholarships, mostly for those who are done with the high school, and also still work with the county governments on the agenda that align with SHOFCO.